Oh girl, I like you, I do. I wanna be your friend, go shopping in a Benz. I like you, I do. I'll hit you in a land, can you fit me in your plans? I like you, I do. We went to bed in France, then we woke up in Japan. I like you, I do. Hey, welcome back, and before we dive right into this tutorial, make sure to download your chord chart for I Like You, A Happier Song in my ukulele songbook on Patreon. So click the link in the description box of this video and get a hold of your chord chart today. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know for this song. And those chords are G minor, C major, F major, and D7. Now, if you already know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down those chords together. So the first chord for the song is G minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the first fret. Take your second finger, press down on the third string of the second fret. Then take your third finger and press down on the second string of the third fret. This is G minor. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the third fret. This is C major. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. And the last chord of the song is D7. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the second string of the second fret. This is D7. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, chuck, down. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the G minor chord. 1 and 2 and G minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, chuck, down, 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 chuck, down, 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 chuck, down, 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 chuck, down. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on the ukulele, then check out my How to Chuck Ukulele tutorial. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be G minor for 1 turn of the string pattern, C major for 1 turn, F major for 2 turns, back to G minor for 1 turn, C major for 1 turn, F major for 1 turn, and then D7 for 1 turn of the string pattern. Let's combine those elements now and play it all together. 1 and 2 and G minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, chuck, C major, down, down, chuck, F major, down, down, chuck, down, 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 chuck, G minor, down, down, chuck, C major, down, down, chuck, F major, down, down, chuck, D7, down, down, chuck, down. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strum pattern, let's combine it with the lyrics and play through I Like You, A Happier Song. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh girl, I know you only like it fancy, so I pull up in that Maybach candy. Yeah, your ex will never understand me, cause I'm about to pull this girl like a hammy. Let's take a little trip, little lady, hit West East Coast I-80. Hey, I've been thinking lately that I need someone to save me. Now that I'm famous, everybody's around me. But I need a good girl, I need someone to ground me. So please be true, don't mess around with me. I need someone to share this heart with me. Fill it up, then run it back again. Oh girl, I like you, I do. I wanna be your friend, go shopping in a Benz. I like you, I do. I'll hit you in a land, can you fit me in your plans? I like you, I do. We went to bed in France, then we woke up in Japan. I like you, I do. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele play-along video for I Like You, A Happier Song. And that's how you play I Like You, A Happier Song by Post Malone featuring Doja Cat. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, if you have a request for a song that you'd love to see me teach on this channel, then leave that song title in the comment section below. Until next time, keep practicing and keep playing because you can you.